Okay, I found your page, Riley. It was kind of saved in a different spot, so I'm going to show you how to get to it and open it to continue editing. So you're going to click the Monarch tab right here, and then we're going to click on the page wizard, and then we can either create new or open and modify. And now that it's already been open or created, we're going to open and modify. It should be deadline 1, and then it's the title page. It's the first option that pops up. So we click there and just hit OK. Now you're only seeing half a page or half a spread here because this is the first page of the book, so it's page 1. I told you wrong. So this is correct. So from here you can edit or change things. And then when you're done, just go up to here and say File, and let me move something around and then it will let me save. So File and Save, and that's it. So it will save your changes. I think right here is loaded the colors that we're using throughout the book. So this blue, and this yellow. And then of course the green is a photo box. So if you want to change a font that color or a background, so like if I wanted just the background to be this blue, I could shrink it down like this. But if I wanted the text a different color, you can click in the text and highlight it. And then right here is where we change our text color. So if we want the yellow over the top, you could do something like that. As far as the font goes, we try and keep it somewhat consistent throughout the book. So if you open up another page, you can see what font we've been using, and then pick one of those to go with your text, just so that it coordinates throughout the book. Let me know if you have any other questions though, but when you're done, you just do File and Save, and it will save it in the same spot every time. So you can close it, and then if I want to reopen it, I click Page Wizard, Open and Modify, and the title page. And that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions. Hopefully this is more helpful than written instructions.